Railways are the lifeline of Malaysia, connecting millions every single day. In 2023, over 245 million passengers relied on our rail services, according to the Ministry of Transport Malaysia. From work to school to family, trains keep the nation moving safely and reliably. But hidden beneath every journey is an unseen threat: track defects. Small cracks today can become disasters tomorrow. How do we stop them before it's too late? Problem. Today's railway inspections face three critical flaws. Firstly, manual methods burn money with slow, outdated techniques. Secondly, putting workers on tracks is dangerous and ineffective. Thirdly, even tech solutions miss deadly small defects. This isn't just about cracks, it's about Malaysia's future. Our solution directly supports RMK12's digital transformation goals, KIGA 5's vision for a regional logistics hub, and safer, more efficient transport for all Malaysians. Common railway defects. Squat. Corrugation. Head check. White ballast. Introducing MobileViT-small, your pocket-sized rail inspector. No more bulky equipment, just smart, seamless inspections right from your pocket. Watch how MobileViT-small transforms rail inspections smart, simple, and efficient. First, log into the app. Since this is an internal system, login keeps unauthorized users out. On the home page, you'll see a list of railway defects. If an image looks unclear, just tap it to view in full screen. Now let's record a new inspection. For this demo, the user uploads a photo. Once uploaded, the system shows the image with three options. We'll tap Inspect. The latest record will appear at the top of the list, which is organized by All, New, and Completed tabs. Long pressing a record brings up the menu Details, Update, or Delete. Let's check out Details. MobileViT automatically logs the location of the defect, so teams know exactly where to go. Finally, once a defect is fixed, users can mark it as completed to avoid double-checking. User also update defects type and remarks. That's MobileViT-small's rail inspection, made easy.